Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our garment restoration services and find it useful.
Personalized care. Sudsies treats every garment as unique. Their process includes a thorough initial inspection where problem areas are identified, followed by a customized cleaning and restoration plan. This personalized approach ensures that each piece is restored with the highest level of care, respecting its history and value. 3. Eco-friendly practices. Sudsies is committed to sustainability, using environmentally friendly cleaning processes and materials. This not only helps protect the environment, but also ensures that the garments are treated with non-toxic, gentle solutions, which is particularly important for vintage and delicate fabrics. 4. Love, reputation, and trust. Sudsies has built a strong reputation over decades for providing exceptional service, and this reputation is fueled by a genuine love for fashion and the people who wear it. Everyone at Sudsies is a fan of fashion and simply loves the way they make guests feel about their clothes. This passion translates into a deep commitment to care for each garment as if it were their own, ensuring that every customer feels confident and delighted with the results. The company's history, positive reviews, and passionate team reflect their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. By entrusting their couture, vintage, or sentimental garments to Sudsies, guests can be confident that their treasured pieces will be handled with the utmost care, expertise, and love, ensuring they remain in excellent condition for years to come.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.